Yeah, not too bad. It's pretty good. Because at the moment it's liquefied all paint. Yeah, like the primer's obviously not amazing because it's all sticky. Yeah, the primer's come back to life apparently. Decided to ruin things. So we decided that would be a good idea to put another coat of paint on this to protect it.
So it was the rust converter that kind of made the other paint go funky, is that right?
Well, we're not really sure because it was all fine until the wax and grease remover went on, and then it's kind of funked it up everywhere. So, and we don't know what it is that's on here. We just know it's not great. No.
It sucks. And rust.
It is drying again though, because you feel that other side.
Yeah, it is.
It's kind of re-hardened, reset.
It's definitely not two-pack, that's for certain.
No. Oh well, if you want to knock some of that rust down, go for it. Yeah, so we're just getting rid of the surface rust at the moment. Do we want to do this back panel at the same time? What do you think? We probably have to take the boot off. Let's just do the roof for now and see if we get any good results. Because we might end up having to redo the whole car properly sooner than we wanted to. Oh look, it's not the end of the world. We've got the stuff to do it. It's just time. Yeah.
Well, you know, once you set up the space to do it as well, there's a whole sort of a bit of a line-up of cars that need it.
Yeah, there is a bit of a waiting list. Yeah. And as much as you want us to do this straight away. Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, okay. Well, I'll just get this bit of rust out through here. Then we're just going to have to give it a once over again with random orbit just to scuff it all and make sure it's all at the same level. Then we'll hit it with a prime and see if we've got any low spots. Fun. Yeah. Yeah. So pro. Yeah, definitely. So pro. High quality stuff. So you just finished sanding it back, gave it some wax and grease. Well, we didn't give it to it. We wax and greased the roof, and now they are taping some sheets. We didn't have any plastic drop sheets, we're just using actual sheets.
It's the far more
environmentally responsible
way.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Yep. You can still put them on your bed once you finish with them.
That's exactly right, they'll just be a different colour. They'll be green. Well, they won't, they'll be primer grey and nice and rough. Oh. Rough sheets.
Beautiful. Final check is over here, it's dropped off.
I don't care, I'm going to start. Just do it.
Do that.
So it's priming it at the moment. See if we can do it in a single can of primer. And our wicked sick covering job with
Which is falling apart.
Yeah.
While we're spraying.
That's okay.
Come off the blankets, because the blankets are covered in dog hair.
Oh, you can't escape it in this house, dog hair's everywhere. There's Eddie. So much junk coming up there. Oh well. Just finished the first primer can, so definitely needs to be gone over and sanded because some turds fell on it. Like, you know, from the sky and stuff.
Sky turds.
Sky turds, they're the worst. But yeah, definitely a lot better than it was. Like, look at all these turds. It's ruined the paint. Oh, the primer.
revolting. Yeah. It's actually going to look pretty good, hopefully. Considering.
I reckon it'll come up alright.
There's obviously one of those like lady sitting kind of stickers here at some point. Have a look at this as well, Alex. There's actually like a sticky film all over all the inside panels. We're not sure if it's tree related or if it's like from the breakdown of the seat here, which is starting to look
not
pretty
great.
disgusting.
Yeah, that's actually like a film. It's amazing.
You can really see it on the back window if you want to get in and have a look at it.
Whoa.
There might be a screwdriver in this, I don't know.
Like there's motor oil in there upside down. Do yourself a favour and buy some Imperial spanners.
Yeah, I was thinking about it. It did cross my mind.
Okay, Toby,
Pinning the carrots.
which way do we go there? That's fine as well. Nice. Yeah, we need to clean all that out.
Yeah, well, that's what I was hoping we should do as soon as we take it off. But there is a bolt here somewhere.
Oh, sorry. That's over. Oh, did I?
No,
Wedge. Yep.
Yeah, some pretty delicious stuff going on here. So we've taken that panel off and we're just going to give it a quick coat of paint. Stuff's dried pretty well. The sill's obviously seen better days, so we have to clean that off. Eventually we'll replace it, obviously, but today is not the day because I'm actually relatively pov at the moment. So we're just kind of putting coat of paint on things that kind of need paint to stop it from rusting. So yeah.
I'm surprised that's working. You're holding it upside down.
it's also I love how he's painting your legs as well. Yeah, it's because you're holding it upside down.
How am I supposed to do it?
From do it from over here. Shiny there. It's always been shiny there. Weird. Well, I know why, because I don't think that was standard in the first place.
Oh, great.
I think it was.
Well, I asked and you said, you assured me it was, so I'm blaming you if it doesn't work.
So we're
Well,
just
the
painting
front
this
is
with top
there.
coat?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hell yeah. This is it. This is it, Toby.
You're not
Do you want to do it?
Chris, you can do it. Start from the middle and go out.
Yeah, good luck with that. He can't even reach the middle.
Well, yeah, but otherwise you do this bit, then you need to lean over the bit you've done. So
Yeah, but like my height is the restricting factor. I know that's how you do it, but I'm physically not tall enough.
Do you want me to start with the
Yeah,
middle
there you
then?
go, you can do it.
This has been suitably shaken, right?
It's been shaken forever.
Alright.
Oh man, it's totally...
I hope that is the colour. That is hilarious. Please be the colour.
That's very green.
Nah, it'll actually rich enough as it goes.
You hope.
It's a totally different colour though.
That's lurid.
That's fantastic.
Oh well.
Yeah, we knew that. I was kind of hoping it was going to be more hilarious, but it's actually darkening up and
Because
looking
we
alright
just
now.
went to Super Cheap Auto and grabbed something that was dark green, so it doesn't actually matter.
Well, it wasn't even dark green, it was the can that said green.
So the roof is now green.
Well, it's half green.
What's the colour code of this? Oh, it's SCA green.
Yeah, just leave Toby with a rattle can and he's sprayed my car. Amazing. So you can see it matches. We just went and grabbed a paint that said green, and it's green. Yes. Amazing. See, look. Green.
Not the right green, but a green.
Oh, it looks pretty right to me. Oh, I'm not too fussed. It's better than a rusty roof.
I agree.
Yeah. You are green. Yeah, not too bad. It's pretty good.
I reckon we could do with another can or two.
Or two, yeah.
Just to we just quickly sand over the bits of dirt in the paint and just give it one more coat. I think would actually look pretty nice.
Yeah, bit of a cut polish to get all the turds off. I think it'll look pretty good. Not bad for what, 2 afternoons work?
So even 2 afternoons work.
Probably best not to admit how much time you spent on it,
I don't know.
to be honest.
I think it looks awesome, considering.